Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be recreating the dish that I had on Virgin Voyage at Gunbae. It is the Korean fried chicken with the pickled daikon. So return Alright y'all, so y'all know I got my little sous chef here, and she wants to help me make the pickled daikon radish. So we have them ready. We're gonna chop them up into cubes and make our little pickling sauce. So let's get started. You ready?
Yep.
Alright. Alright, so we have our daikon radish chopped into squares, and we have our sugar, our vinegar, and our salt. So now we're going to take our sugar, vinegar, and salt, and we're going to whisk it together until everything is dissolved. And then we're going to place our daikon in this little dish or jar and then pickle it, okay? And then we're going to get our chicken ready, which we'll have that ready in 48 hours because that's how long it takes the daikon to pickle. All right, and our sugar, our vinegar, and you can add the salt. All right, and now we're going to stir it until it dissolves. And while she is stirring, I'm going to put the daikon in the jar. Now, to me it tastes perfect, so now we're going to pour it over our daikon radish.
Little splash, but
alrighty. Voila, magic. Let me wipe the juice off the side.
And it tastes exactly like it.
I cannot wait to taste it with our chicken. So anyway, we're gonna let these pickle for, again, just in case you skipped or whatever, 24 to 48 hours. My daughter keeps looking at me because I keep saying it, so 24 to 48 hours, like I said. And we're gonna make our chicken, which we're gonna use chicken thighs. We're gonna fry it up good and crispy with our sauce. And we're gonna have this on the side. Oh, it was so good when I was on Virgin Voyage. So I get to have it again without paying for the cruise because I'm making it myself. Y'all know I am going to recreate some stuff that I tasted because it tastes good. That's what I do for the rest of the video. It is going to be very, very yummy, okay? You won't regret it. All right, we got our potato starch, our chicken, our gochujang, our ketchup, mirin, soy sauce, honey, garlic, and brown sugar. All right, calm down. Let's get started. All right, it's coming. Shh. Yes, I'm using my fingers because, hey, fingers are just like utensils. You eat with them, you cook with them, and you flour chicken. And this is potato starch. So let's get the party started. All right, it is party time. We got them all coated, and now it's time to fry them. And then we're going to make our sauce that goes on them. Rock and roll, whatever that means. All right, let's go. Yummers. Not too many. Crispy fried chicken. Korean style. Cheers. Now we're getting ready to make our sauce for our fried chicken, so let's get started. So we got our little saucepan over here, over there. So y'all, come on, we going. We got our soy sauce. We got our ketchup and gochujang. Put that right on in.
Fingers. Fingers.
And then we got our mirin and our brown sugar.
No sweetness.
Well, honey, did I put the honey in there already? Oh, I didn't put the honey in there yet, so y'all just garlic. And our other little bit of sweetness is the honey.
Honey.
Wow.
And now it's starting to boil. Bubble. So we're gonna mama mix. Up the whole.
And we are going to let it boil. Well, we're gonna cook it till it thickens a little bit.
Simmer.
Thanks, sous chef.
Awesome.
Okay, our yummy sauce is smelling so good. I don't know if y'all can see it here, but we're getting ready to combine. Well, we're getting ready to sauce our chicken, so let me just let y'all see what's going on down in this hole. All right. Let's see if that's enough. A little more sauce. It is done. Now it's try. It is done. Now it's time to try. My little remake. Let's see who's ready. See. It's good. It's really good. Hey, it's really good. Want to taste?
Mm-hmm.
Out into the mouth. I'ma wait. Chew it up. Come on, Layla. Can you help her? Because I don't know why she's screaming like that. What? This is not spicy, girl. It's good. Crunchy. I love the sauce, Layla.